To Yardstyle live.
We are the youth, them we are. The Fyah youth, them we rise. Them time they saw. All of the producers, them who was even, you know, mentally affiliated, I think that way they were positive way.
Because I think, so once for an artist,
link up with it.
Once artist got David O's, it's automatically say, yo, I have a voice them,
Yeah, so as me tell you, say,
it's a movement.
Mentality, the same far mentality French them that move with, so them link them youth, the cure them, the mace them, the military them, and yeah, so most of them want producer there back then we work hard for,
All right, the breakout song for Princess God. Where you do for the producer them again, Roland. How did that song came about, the Princess God? Because everybody can relate to a Princess God, Me, every man.
As I say, just like how everyone go through the thing. You come home and your woman gone, or your queen gone, or your wife gone, or whatever. You just. So me never really fight. Me just find a song, me just turn it into a song and a thing.
Yeah. And to this day, this song is a legend.
Yeah.
You peace side by Yardstyle live.
Yo, my princess gone. Boom. Yeah, man. Come out of the show and hear the whole of everything.
Yeah, man. Far, far away.
Walk one, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.